So without wasting much time, today we want to kick off with presentations, and the reason we are starting with the virtual section first is because our colleagues who are presenting from India and Zimbabwe and stuff like that, because of the time difference, we want to make sure that we don't keep them waiting for too long. If you're in India, it's almost like 6 p.m. or maybe 7 p.m. now. And so we want to make sure we get them out of the way. And so this morning we are beginning our virtual presentation. And the first individual who is going to speak is Dr. Pushpa Karamala. And Dr. Pushpa is going to speak on the topic natural farming in Andhra Pradesh, India, important models and impact. Dr. Kamara, if you can hear me, please, you have the floor for 10 minutes.
Nutrition issue is there, food demand is there, food crisis is there, as well as environmental crisis. So soil loss, soil degradation, even though lack of doing agriculture, land is there, there is no farmer to do the land practices, water stress, and biodiversity loss. So what is the solution for all these kind of problems, whatever we are facing now? The natural farming is the only solution. It is mimicking nature. We are not disturbing anything. We are leaving the nature as like, and we are going to do some sustainable practices. Photosynthesis is the main concept behind the natural farming practices to enhance the diversity above and below the ground, and enhance the soil microbial population inside the soil, and maintain a symbiotic relationship between the microorganisms as well as the crops above the ground. So it is a mutual understanding in between the crops or plants and microorganisms, and support each other and grow together and maintains the natural ecosystem. So this natural farming practice reduces the carbon cycle or close the carbon cycle, enhances the carbon sequestration, climate resilience, crop resilience, and nutrient density, abundant density in the output or produce whatever we get. And then natural farming introduction. In Andhra Pradesh, we were started first in the year October 4th, 2014 with the name of Raitu Sadhikara Samstha. It is our local language Telugu, whereas in English, Farmer Empowerment Organization for small and marginal farmers, women-centric. Women is the major person, major coordinator to coordinate and to enhance and improve and support the women empowerment. Women-centrically, the organization was started, and later they were established Andhra Pradesh Community Managed Natural Farming in the year 2020. With the community support, we were started working with natural farming practices. We have a community resource person who interact with the villagers, farmers. They will try to transform the villages into, or the farmers into, natural farming practitioners. That is the major concept behind the AP Community Managed Natural Farming, one of the wing of Raitu Sadhikara Samstha. And other wing is IGGOL, Indo-German Global Academy for Agroecology Research and Learning, the academy. Majorly, it was established in the year 2022, and we are focusing on transform the farmers into farmer scientists. He should not depend on anybody. We should know which crop is economically viable for him, which crop he can select, any pest disease he should identify, should not depend on any other. He must become a scientist in his farming practices. That is the main concept and motto behind the main aim of evolution of IGGOL, APCNA, both are wings of the Raitu Sadhikara Samstha, RYSS. The natural farming practices majorly, it's a low cost, soil health improvement, biodiversity improvement, farmer-friendly, eco-friendly practices, just mimicking nature. We are going to work together, which is the favorable work with the nature. And the IGGOL Academy, there we have an overview of courses. We have it is a 4-year course, 8 semesters. Participatory learning and field research and live examples. The farmer will go to the other fields, they interact with the farmers, they observe with their own eyes what's happening. They will observe by their own, and they start noting the data, note down the data, what's happening through natural farming, what are the main changes happening. They should observe and they will note down, and they will start working on it as a part of their research in their part of course. Main goal of the academy is to convert the villages into climate resilient villages through the farmer scientists. So academy runs, a senior person will be the mentor. Under him, 5 former scientists will be there. He will guide them. He will transform the knowledge, guidance, and how he have to work, everything guided by the mentor. And we are the people who will design the course, curriculum, content development, guidance, everything we provide to mentors.